Hey everyone! If you've ever wondered what AI really is, beyond the Hollywood robots or the mysterious tech jargon, let's talk about it in a way that actually makes sense. Today, I'm breaking down AI from the perspective of its behavioral process. Trust me, this is where things get interesting. So what does it mean to define AI by its behavior? Forget the complicated code and hardware for a second. Imagine AI as a kind of digital creature. It's all about observing what it does, how it interacts, and how it learns from experience. Basically, I see AI as a system that perceives its environment, decides what to do, and then acts, kind of like us. Let me give you a few examples. Take your favorite voice assistant, maybe Siri or Alexa. When you ask, "What's the weather like today?" the AI listens, processes your words, searches for information, and then responds. The behavioral process here? Listen, understand, act, and adapt. If you ask again tomorrow with a different accent, it tries to learn and get better at understanding you. Or think about those smart recommendation systems on YouTube or Netflix. They watch what you click, learn your preferences, and suggest videos or shows you might love next. The AI is behaving like a curious friend, paying attention to what you like, making a guess, and then adjusting if you skip it. So here's the core: AI's behavior is all about how it senses the world, through cameras, microphones, or data, how it decides on an action and how it adapts over time. It's not magic, it's a loop. See, think, act, learn, repeat. Let's make it even simpler. Imagine training a puppy. You give it a command, it tries to respond, and if it gets it right, you reward it. Over time, the puppy learns what works. AI works in a similar way, just with lots more data and way less drool. So next time you interact with AI, remember, you're witnessing a behavioral process in action. It's all about sensing, deciding, acting, and learning. And as AI grows smarter, these behaviors get more complex and helpful, not just in tech, but in medicine, transport, even art. That's AI unmasked, understood by what it does, not just what it is. If you want to dive deeper, hit subscribe for more beginner-friendly AI breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Learning Hub.